What's up, YouTube? This video is brought to you by Weeboy. If you'd like to help out the channel and get some free stock, make sure you check out my link below. Hey, I'm Chris saying that today's video, guys, is about an update on NIO and the fact that they just hit a new 52-week high, as well as because it's the end of the month, I had to show you guys my dividend portfolio, and I need you guys to make sure that you guess what do you think my dividend payout for this month will be. Check this out, guys. I've been doing this. I told you I started this account with $0 in January. You can't have an account that you put 60,000 in January if you're getting dividends this low. Make sure you look at every chart every month so that you can see the steady growth over time, as well as know what's possible for your portfolio given a small portfolio, okay? But I want you guys to think big and think long term. If you did this for 5 to 10 years, and if you put more money than I put in it, how big your dividends would be each and every month. Without further ado, guys, let's take a look at my portfolio. Okay, guys, on the road to 100K, as you can see, I'm currently sitting at $65,637.06 on the day. We're kind of flat, okay? Up 0.5% at best, not too much going on. If I take you a week out, it's been a worse week since September, guys. I'm down almost 4%, or the equivalent of $2,700. If we go 1 month out, I'm down 2.5%. If we go 3 months out, I'm still up by a little bit. That's called great investing. And if I take you guys 1 year out, even though I haven't had this account 1 year yet, I'm still up over 7% in a global pandemic. However, it's up more than this normally, but since the week is down, my overall gains are down. Make sure you make a note of that. Okay, guys, NIO has cracked the $30 mark. It's currently sitting at $30.43. It's ticker symbol NIO for those that don't know. Listen, guys, you might have been in this with me since $7. This is another play that I have quadrupled your money, man. Just like and subscribe, man, if you should appreciate the plays that I put you guys in and the way that I consistently try to set you guys up for success. I don't know who else you guys follow, but I know if you rock with me, the things that I put us on is intended to make us wealthy over the long term, however, having short-term success along the journey, okay? NIO is just one example of this, okay? It is now at $30, so I need you to do this. Those of you that don't want to hold this till 40, because that's where it's headed next, okay? You need to put your trailing stop loss on this particular play so that if any sell-off occurs, unlike with Workhorse, and I got to teach you guys in the future, Workhorse was another play, guys, that we got in at 7 and that went to 30. You guys were supposed to sell at 30. However, a lot of you held and now you're holding it. Now it's down at 16. I don't know where it's at today. However, with NIO, I'm not going to let you guys do that. If you aren't holding this long term like I am, I'm holding this to $100. But if that's not your goal, if your goal is not the same as mine on that, and that's okay, you need to put your trailing stop loss on so that you don't be holding this stock if it goes back down to $20 or to $15, okay? Again, I'm not gonna let you guys repeat mistakes that you keep making, okay? This is when you're supposed to cash out and take your profits. If I helped you make 30,000, if you put 10 in and I now made you $30,000, go ahead and take your $30,000, guys, and move on to something else, okay? But listen, guys, this is what you do. This is the power of the stock market. If you guys want to lead a corporate plantation, it's important that you invest in quality assets. If you rock with me, I'm going to always introduce them to you, tell you why we're in them, tell you how many shares to get them, and tell you what entry price to get it at. That's just the least I can do, man, to make sure I'm setting you guys up for ultimate success. Again, man, if you like this level of support, make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss a video as I come on here each and every day to make sure you guys win. Up next is our word of the day, and our word of the day is panic sell. Listen, guys, oftentimes you new and beginning investors, this applies to you more so than some of my vets, okay? You have a tendency, and it's just human nature, okay, to panic sell when the stock that you invested in goes down for whatever reason, okay? Listen, guys, when the stock goes down, that's your opportunity to buy. That is not when you sell, okay? The name of the game is to buy low and sell high. However, if you always panic sell because your stock dropped, you just are reversing what investing is really all about. So, guys, make sure you contain yourself, make sure you keep your composure, and don't panic sell. Okay, you're losing yourself money. The stock market is a vehicle that you never lose money in as long as you don't sell. But if you're panic selling, you're losing money. The stock market will always go back up. Every single price you ever bought a stock at, it will one day come back to that price and go 10 times past it. Okay, however, if you are not listening to the things I'm teaching you every single day, you may not know those little things, which are very important things about the stock market. So guys, minimize your panic selling. Matter of fact, if your stock is dropping, stop asking why is it down today, and just know that that's what happens in the stock market. It goes up and down every single day, up, down, up, down. Okay, news drives the market. So if we're having an election, if it's contested, if it's close, if we don't have a stimulus, if you have a pandemic, those are the reasons why your stock is down. If it's not centered around any bad news from the company. Okay, so that's why your stocks will be down from day to day or up from day to day, give or take. Okay, however, your job as an investor is to, again, maintain your composure, believe and know why you invest in what you invest in, so that you don't panic sell the minute your stock goes down 2%. Listen guys, I hope that was helpful. Up next, we have our question of the day, and our question of the day comes from Rod Richardson. He says, big shout out bro, just hit big with Pinterest call option. I thought it was dead in the water, but I didn't panic and woke up this morning up $846 and sold at 9:31 a.m. It still went up a little more, but didn't want to be greedy. Appreciate the coaching and the mentoring. Hey man, I just want to send Rod Richardson some love, as well as all of you. Last week, if you guys are keeping it real with yourself, I told you about Snapchat and I told you about Pinterest. All of you should have hit a home run with at least both of those plays, okay? And so listen guys, this is the power of just, again, taking a risk. Low risk, high reward, okay? Chances make champions. And so guys, each and every week, as long as you guys want to do the ODPs, I'll do my best to tell you guys what's going to hit. So on you to, again, decide if you want to take that journey with us. But I know, like some of you should know, that Pinterest went through the roof, Snapchat went through the roof, and various other plays went through the roof. But listen, man, I won't belabor the point. I just want to send some love to Rob, as well as to each and every one of you. Keep up the good work, and let's keep getting this money, man, okay? Listen, guys, if you have comments, leave them below. I'll grab them and add them to my next video. Listen, I make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result. Very few consider the journey. Do me a favor. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll see you all in the next one.